Uh, Welcome to this to my YouTube channel. So I'm looking at the charts right now. Kind of got out of work early, but I don't see no other good plays. I'm looking at my charts as of right now. I deleted a demand zone that I had through ES because it kind of broke through it. You see, you guys have marked that 1 hour support here. Kind of when it broke through. But I would have taken a late entry, but like I said, I usually wait for it to retest and then for it to go back down. But if you would have gotten this Fibonacci, I wasn't really here. I was at work actually. But if you would have gotten this Fibonacci, if you would have drawn your Fibonacci out, you saw how price was rejecting the 61.8 level. Or as well, if you didn't want the Fibonacci, you could have just drawn a good resistance zone that was right here. So we had a triple top. So we came down, came back up, we rejected, we came back down, came back up, we rejected, and you could have gone in right here, guys, on this next rejection right here. That's clearly a fourth rejection, so that means it has strong resistance. This 44.27 level. So if you could have gone in when this candle closed above a little bit below above VWAP and set your stop loss above the resistance level. That would have been a good entry and roll this all the way down, or you could have taken profit. Of course, nobody's gonna guess the bottom. But you could have taken profits when it reached this support level right here. You saw how it kind of like bounced and then it just sinked right through it. And you see how we kind of broke resistance. So yeah, it pretty much went on a downhill the whole day today, guys. Yeah, you see how we got multiple rejection on this 44.27 level. That's pretty bad if you ask me. But yeah, like this right here with four. I mean, dang. I mean, third one would have been nice if you would have gone in on this third rejection. That's not bad. Like I said, you could have set your stop loss above this resistance level or a little bit higher to give you more breathing room. So you don't stop out too early of your trade. Depends on your risk to reward ratio. But you could have gone in on this trade, set your stop loss here, and you could have added a little bit more when you saw this got rejected. You could have added a little bit more contracts. And then yeah, you could have rolled it down to this to this support and to this near to the lower day, which where it was, and now it's 43.90, which is I'm talking about SPY. Um, like I said, they follow the same chart. Yeah, you see guys, we had this clear rejection level right here on this 440.59, and you could have rolled it down to this 439 level. You like I said, you could have gone in on this kind of candle to close on this 440. Set your stop loss. You could say 441. Just to like give it a little bit more breathing room. See, like I said, came back up, rejected, yeah, and then and we had a good bearish engulfing where this red candle covers the green candle, meaning that the sellers are in control. So yeah, this was a nice trade actually that I would have taken if I was on my computer, but I'm not on it, or now I'm on it. I wasn't able to catch the drawing, but as we can see, now that we moved downhill, I'm pretty sure I'm pretty sure we got some we made a supply level here somewhere. So if we can just go find the supply zone on ES, like I said, our chart ES guys. Yes, exactly. That's what I figured. Yeah, you see how we came down, we based out, and then we dropped, and then we have that aggressive follow through. So I would have marked this as a supply zone. Remember, guys, you get your tool ready. We mark both of them. I usually just mark both of them just to have it there. I'll put it as 1 hour. Lets me know that it's a 1 hour supply zone whenever I'm looking for it, and I'll just delete I don't want the name to be shown on this one. See you guys. So you can clearly yeah, when you see like a big drop or something like that on a stock, you it most likely there's a there's a supply form around that area, so you want to draw that out. Just let you know, be careful trying to trying to go long around this area. Lets me know that there could be sellers around here waiting for a price to get rejected and sell back down. So since I deleted my 1 hour support, I'll delete it. But like I said, I'll wait for a rejection. See if support turns into resistance, and if it turns into resistance, that's a good level to bring. If it gets rejected, that's a good play to take. For rejection, and set your stop loss a little bit above the resistance line. You know. But yeah, you guys, you see how we created that 1 hour supply zone. So you usually want to mark that. Let's see when is the next. When is the next demand zone. We have at 43.81. Wow, that's not even that far away. And I wrote it on the 2 hours, so let me mark that 2 hours. So I can see price heading that 43.81 because it broke that support level that we had, guys. And the next one was is 43.81. You know, this is a good 4 hour as well. You know, you could roll in this a good 4 hour, which is not bad, yeah. But you see my 2 hour. So I go to the 2 hour chart. Lets me know I marked my demand zone on that 2 hour. So you can go here. Yes, it's a nice, a beautiful one, guys. Actually, see how we based out. We we rallied, and then we had the aggressive follow through. So this is a really good demand zone, and it's a really good demand zone because it hasn't gotten tested at all. Like it's literally been there. Like like so when it gets tested, oof, we're 10 points away from it actually. Yeah, when we get tested, we could see buyers waiting for price to for the to reach that area for them for them to get filled. So I'm waiting to see if I can spot buyers around there. You see how much supply zone we have for them? That's pretty cool. I mean, not pretty cool, but levels that I'm interested in playing. I'm pretty sure the same as NQ. Pretty sure we have also 1 hour supply zone on NQ. Yes, we do actually. You see, same thing as NQ, same thing as Spy, guys. Oh, actually NQ just reached my demand zone, so we could see a good play here, guys. Let me just you see how NQ, if you would have wrote if you would have got your Fibonacci tool out, waited for price to come out. You see how I got rejected the same way as ES, and then we came right back down. We sold right down. So we can delete this so we don't get confused. Yes, this is actually an interesting level to be playing. So you see how I got this trend line written, because we touched multiple points. We touched right here, we touched right here, we touched right here. So it's been bouncing off my trend line, guys. So if we can bounce this on this one and then send on demand zone, that'd be a really good play, guys. But I don't think I have enough. I don't have enough BP to be able to take a trade. So I'd just rather watch it, just to see if it's a good demand zone where buyers are waiting to get filled at. For the meantime, guys, we can draw out this supply zone that we got formed right here, right here, right here. Like I said, you want to see that aggressive chop and you want to see that follow through. Yes, I want the name to show. Sorry about that. Get that 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour, guys. Remember, this is always key, guys. This will help you so much. This will help your trading out so much. Sorry about that. It lets you know that there's sellers there present around that range. So you want to be careful going in and long. Unless you see like aggressive volume and you see buyers present, then of course you can go long. Set your stop loss pretty tight. I usually don't do that. I wait for my zone to break out, and then if I see demand form real good, then of course I'll take a trade. Oh, sorry, I don't know why I made it red. I mean green. So yeah, guys. This is a good supply zone for, like I said. We have that base, we drop, and we have that aggressive drop. So that's a good supply zone we have marked out, guys. You see we have a lot of supply zones for them. You see right here as well, I got another trend line drain on NQ. It's like a wedging type of, you could call it, as well. You see how we got multiple points. We got one right here and one right here, and then we could see a rejection one if it breaks through these supply zones. We want to be careful trading this rejection right here. So if we go on the 5 minute, let's see what it did. Okay, look like buyers are trying to push the price up. You see how we have a good green candle right here. So we could see buyers trying to push this price up. Let's take a look at NQ. If ES looks the same way, then we could see this market rallying throughout the day. It got rejected. It keeps getting rejected, guys. You see how they're both getting rejected. You actually don't want that. That doesn't look good. But like I said, another thing that will help out for you guys to help out your trading would be if you look at your level 2. Apply. If you look at your level 2, if you want to look at your level 2 right here, guys, for ES, or you can also put it up for NQ. Just looking at these orders getting getting bought at, this is a pretty good order book to get to be looking at. You know, it's not a bad. It's a pretty good tool to be used at. Oh, look at that! You see how we got that rejection? So it could break that trend line I wrote. You know, but I don't want to go short because we're in the man zone actually. So you know, waiting patiently. ES is about to bring hit the man zone. So yeah, guys, you know, and then you can use your time and sales as well for this guys. This is a pretty good tool to use. This right here is orders that are already filled. You know, that's pretty cool. You know, it lets you know orders that are already filled and stuff like that. So you also want to use that. You know, that's a pretty good one to use as well. You know, so there's a lot of confirmations you can use when you're looking for an entry, guys. So yeah, I think that wraps it up for me, guys. You know, just I marked out my supply zones. If you guys want to go ahead and try it on your own, you know, you want to do let's say you want to do Tesla. Let's see how Tesla's been actually. Tesla, well, okay. I have, like I said, I turn off my equities when I'm trading. When I chart Tesla, see what Tesla been up to. I can see we have a good supply zone forming in Tesla. Let's see if we can find one. Let's see. I'm pretty sure we have one in the 1 hour, guys. This would now be considered an aggressive drop. You see how this candle is smaller than the green one? You want that red one to overtake that green one. So maybe let's go on a 30 minute. We can maybe find one in 30 minute. Yeah, this would be a pretty good not really, cause I don't like this drop. It's a small drop that we did right here, guys. So I really wouldn't mark it. I'll just leave it like how it is. How about the 15 minute? Do we have anything on the 15 minute? No. Okay, we may have something on the 45 minute, guys. Maybe. Nope, nothing, guys. So let's try a 20 minute. If the 20 minute doesn't have it, guys, then I don't think we formed anything. We just kind of like, you know, damn, it's real bad. Wow, and it's power hour too, guys. So you know, be careful trading power hour. Yeah. No, I don't see a supply zone form on Tesla other than that 30 minute. But I really don't like that. But if you guys want to mark that, you can. You know, I just don't like how just this is not an aggressive drop, an aggressive follow through. So I would just leave that how it is. Let's take a look at Microsoft. I've been looking at Microsoft. I kind of like Microsoft actually, guys. So you know, I want to get into Microsoft as well. So yeah, guys. Like I said, um, we did. I'm pretty sure we have a good supply zone here on there. Yeah, we would have. Oh, we have actually two. This wouldn't be considered a good one. Oh, we have a good one right here, guys. Actually, from yesterday. This is from Wednesday. You see, we have that basing candle. We have that drop, and we have that aggressive follow through. That's what you want to look for. So if you guys want to mark these out, you can. I'm not gonna mark it out as of right now. I'm gonna go do some other stuff real fast. And yeah, guys, you know, I'm gonna. You can say this is a pretty good trend line that we have drawn out as well on Microsoft, guys. See this trend line? Oops. You see that? So that's pretty good. That's on the 2 hour. Pretty. That's like throughout the day. But yeah, you just want to be careful with that, guys. Like I said, you know. Yeah, we have a pretty good trend line right now on Microsoft. So that's a good one. Like I said, try to go and do this on your own, guys, and try to get practice with it. You see how we kept rejecting this trend line right here. If we would have drawn this out before, boom, boom, we got rejected right here. You could have set your stop loss above the trend line and just drive ride the way back down. But yeah, guys, try doing this on your own and comment below if you need help. You know, I'm here to help as well. Subscribe to the channel and let me know and hit that like button. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching and you know, have a good weekend. Peace.